Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. So tonight we're going to have a look at one of the best budget options for a pair of binoculars you can find out there. This is the Vortex Raptor. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase your own Vortex Raptors, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Alright, so these have a 10x magnification by 32mm lens in the front, and the reason that I'm pointing that out is I just want to give you a better feel for what these are going to feel like in your hand by giving a size reference. So you can see there, pretty much fits in the palm of my hand. Let's have a look at the diameter of these tubes here. Let's use a empty paper towel roll. So just compare the diameter here versus the diameter there. Okay, you can see the paper towel roll definitely is larger than 32mm. In fact, let me just move this around so you can have a look at it that way. So this way, if you're trying to decide to go bigger, like 42 or 50, now you know what a 32mm lens looks like in comparison to a paper towel roll. All right, let's take an actual measurement. So from tip to tip here, just about 6 1/4, and then this way with the eye cups closed all the way down, just about 5 1/4. All right, let's get the Raptors on the scale here. Overall weight coming in at about 1 pound, 2.7 ounces. And that weighs almost as much as a full 16-ounce bottle of water. Just want to point out a couple of things before having a closer look at these awesome pair of binoculars. Especially if you really haven't heard of Vortex and you don't have a lot of experience with them and you're like, well, are they any good? Just want to tell you that I've been using their firearm optics for years, and they are extremely high quality. In fact, so high quality, they've won the contract to produce the new optics for the U.S. Army's new weapons system. And the way that my brain thinks, well, hey, if it's good enough for the U.S. Army, it's going to be good enough for me. And the second thing I want to point out is Vortex's incredible industry-leading, no questions asked lifetime warranty. If you damage whatever optics you buy from them, they're going to try to repair it. If they can't repair it, they're going to replace it. No proof of purchase necessary, fully transferable, meaning if you sell this to somebody else, they're going to be covered as well. And just to put that in context, if you look at the higher end brands, you might get like a 10 to 15 year warranty, but this is a lifetime warranty and a lifetime commitment from Vortex. Let's have a closer look at the Raptors. Nice rubberized texturing all the way around on the chassis of the binoculars. Let's have a closer look at the texturing. Very grippy. Very easy to adjust your interpupillary distance. They have a scale here to help you remember how far apart they should be. It's going to be really useful if there's multiple users. Center focus wheel, very smooth. You can see how it helps adjust the eyepieces. They're going to go up and down. Nice and smooth. The Raptors have a 13mm eye relief, which is going to be great news for people that wear glasses. It's going to enable you to get your face right up to these lenses with your glasses. You're going to keep the eye cups down, and then if you don't wear eyeglasses, you just back these up like this. There is a bit of a half stop in here, right there. You see it click into place? So this is all the way down, this is all the way out, and just about halfway, there's a click there, just in case you're somewhere in between. Right, that's going to help keep the vignetting down, so when you're looking through the binoculars, you get the full image and not just half of it. Let's have a look at the diopter on the right side. Now this ring is a little bit small, but it's got good texturing. It's very easy to slide back and forth. And this is important because this is how you're going to focus the right side of the binoculars. Again, they have a scale here to help you remember where you need to put that. And if you've never owned a pair of binoculars, it's very important because what you're going to do to get in focus is you either can put the lens cap over the right side or just close your right eye. Then you're going to use the center focus wheel to focus your left side. Then you're going to shut down the left side and use a diopter to help focus the right side. With that, you're going to be in focus. Now, even at this range, Vortex is going to give you fully multi-coated lenses, as much coating as you can get as possible. And this is important because glass is reflective. You don't want light to go this way. You want it to go into the lens to get as much light into your eyes as possible. And it also really helps with giving you a higher contrast image. And just in case you're wondering, even at this range, the Raptors have been nitrogen purged. And the reason that's done is it helps remove any conditions that can cause moisture to build up on the inside of the lenses. And that's extremely important if you're going to be using these in situations where there's high humidity or even out in the rain. Alright, let me show you what it's like to look through these. Alright, let me set up the video we're going to be looking at here. And keeping in mind, this is not a demonstration to show you the clarity of the lenses. I just don't have the capability and the equipment to do that. But instead, it's just to give you an idea of what it's going to look like when you look through a pair of binoculars that's 10x by 32 with the 6.3 degree angular field of view. Alright, the baseball field we're going to be using is about the same size as you're going to find around your neighborhood. The camera is going to be set up here in home base, and the target is going to move from the pitcher's mound at 50 feet away, back to second base at 100 feet away, and way back on the warning track along the fence at 300 feet away. And just in case you're wondering, here's a look at the target we're going to be using next to a ruler, about 12 inches. So the inside diameter here is about 12 inches. All right, let's have a look. This is 50 feet away. Target is on the pitcher's mound. No magnification. Flipping over the 10X. Real close. Going back to second base, 100 feet away. No magnification. And now at 10X. You can see I was really having trouble keeping it steady there. And over to 300 feet away, warning track, no magnification, then over the 10X. Nice. Once again, guys, this has been the Raptor made by Vortex, a company that the U.S. Army has trusted to make their new optics for their new weapon systems. You got a lifetime, no questions asked warranty with fully multi-coated lenses. If you're looking for a great pair of binoculars, this might be the one for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase a pair of Raptors, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.